I've been wearing my Ultra Human Ring Air for 3 months now, so I want to share with you guys my experience with it. As you all know, it's a smart ring. It tracks your sleep, your recovery, your stress, your activity. Basically, it tracks your overall health. And for me, I check the app every single morning before I start my day. One feature I really love is that it measures your body temperature, which helps you understand exactly where you are in your menstrual cycle. That's been super helpful for being more in tune with my body. It also tracks your steps and calories burned so you don't need to wear a bulky Apple Watch all day. I love that it gives me the data without changing my lifestyle. But my favorite feature though is the sleep tracking. It breaks down your sleep stages and gives you a quality sleep score, which honestly changed how I look at my rest. I'm way more intentional about my sleep now. There are also a ton of power plugs in the app. My favorites are the vitamin D tracking and the caffeine window, which tells you the best time to have coffee so it doesn't affect your sleep. Another big plus of getting the Ultra Human Ring Air is that it doesn't have a subscription fee. And the fact that I've worn it consistently for 3 months already says a lot. It's just a part of my daily routine now. So, guys, if you're thinking about getting one, there's a 15% New Year's offer right now. I leave the code below and linked in my bio, so get yours now.